So today we're making clear glue slime. First you need a spoonful of sodium tetraborate, and then you need 75 ml of warm water. Next you've got to mix these two. Let's pour it in. Now we got to mix it. Next you'll need another bowl or cup and also 15 ml of clear glue. Next you need to pour that into the bowl. It looks so satisfying. Whoa. You try to make this quick. It looks so cool. Next you need 25 ml of warm water. You'll have to mix it in with the clear glue. Okay, you can mix that up too. And then you have your sodium tetraborate and also your water. So get a spoonful of that and then mix it in with the slime. Okay, let's mix it. It looks very cool. But it hasn't come to the slime part yet. So we're gonna get some more water and mix it in. It's getting kind of sticky, but it's not as the slime yet. So we're gonna get even more. Once it gets to the slime mixture, then you can stop mixing. So take how much you need, okay? It's starting to stick. So yeah, it's really cool. Okay, it's starting to stick. I think it's starting to be good. Whoa. Cool. See, the place is messy. Use some tissues. Okay, I've transferred the slime from the green bowl to this box. Okay, now let's add some color. So let's see, which color should we use? Let's use red. Okay, now just pour it down and just use 2 or 3 drops of the paint. Okay, that was a big drop. That's enough. That was so big. Okay, now I'm gonna add fish peas. This is going to make it look like there's bubbles inside. Ooh, that's gonna look very nice. Okay, I'm only using a little, so I can use some more of these. Next we'll open the pom-poms, but for now we'll use some glitter. It looks so pretty, right? Some of these hexagons. Wow. It's my favorite color. It's nice. Hope you all enjoyed our video. Bye!